Hello and welcome to the introduction video about moving lights. We would like to explain and also show why it does make sense to move the lights in your grow room. There are different reasons, and first we're going to focus on the most obvious reason, because when you have the lights spread through the whole room, then you get more lights in the middle of the room because each lamp interferes with the other lamp, and as further you go out to the edge of the grow room, you get less and less lights. This we would like to also prove to you with the light measurement device. So now we have 766 micromole per square meter per second. Good. And now we're gonna move the lights to the perfect distance, because everybody has the calculation, because when you set up lights in a grow room, the interference, because of the LEDs which have a 115 degrees angle, so now you can imagine, so somewhere there is the sweet spot where you totally actually get to the point. Now we just lowered the lamps on few centimeters, not way too much. And now we're going to measure again, and we have 825 micromole. That's close to 100 micromole more on the edge of the surface of the growing area. So now it's more likely guaranteed that you have the light really even spread through the whole canopy. So that's one of the biggest reasons. The second reason will follow soon. So another reason where people sometimes think it makes not in the first hand, the beginning sense, but maintenance is, you know, getting your room clean or keep it clean. And everything which hangs above your head, you're going to use stairs or something, so to get things cleaned. And yeah, we think it is a very important issue. So first, of course, now we have the canopy in. We do dim the lights, that we can lower the lamps, Lampenhöhe, and then now we're going to, of course, this is something which you're going to do once the room is empty, but just to give you the idea about the importance, then you have absolutely no troubles and issues getting, you know, everything cleaned and proper, so that you're going to be ready for the next grow. And I think this is something which grow room users should be aware of. And the third reason, and probably the most important reason, is saving energy, saving electricity costs. When you look here, which we're going to measure the consumption of the room, we can see we have 35.8 kilowatt of energy which the lamps are using right now. So they are on the highest point. I'm going to measure the light. We have 1169 micromole measured. What we are going to do now is to lower the light by 20%. Zack. So now we have about 4 kilowatt less energy which we use per hour. Then we're going to move the lamps to the right spot, which now we're going to use the term sweet spot. We have 1170 micromole, meaning we have the same light intensity in your room, but we are using 4 kilowatt less of energy. Making the math, this is per hour. You can do this now per day, per week, per month, per year, per years, per room, and this will be a big number of savings. And on top of that, the lamps are getting less hot, and less warm means also less clima, less air, and saving energy even on the second level to get your costs, kilogram production costs, to as low as possible. And I think this is the reasons why a moving lamp system does make sense. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you for the next video.